Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, FXPipCollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I mean, definitely looks more like it is going to make a five-way pattern down for either a running flat or an expanding flat before it actually does go up like we've been planning. But I'm still not ruling out the possibility of this move down just being like a bear trap and uptrend, because if this really is an ABC pattern, then it would make sense for it not to go down and make an expanding flat in the middle. Either way, though, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely down. We do know that the trend is down. It totally looks to me like a double three pattern too. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Normally, this would lead to either 1, 2, 3 down for more like a WXY, or it would lead to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for like a running flat or an expanding flat. So let's keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down. It looks to me like it's getting ready to reverse. The next move up should be a crescent to this move down. So the next move up should be either wave B or wave 2. This move down should either be a wave A or a wave 1. If it's a WXY on the higher time frames, then this is an A of Y. If it's really like a running flat or an expanding flat, then this is a wave 1 of wave C. So I have no idea whether it's a wave B or wave 2 to the upside coming next. And luckily, it doesn't really matter because it's exactly the same strategy, trading strategy for a wave B as it is for a wave 2. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think that this is a complete trend. I think we just don't have a break of structure yet. I think this is all 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think there's a pretty good chance that it is going to go up and break structure. We have FOMC interest rate coming out today, so it seems like a really good time for this to break structure, ending that wave A or 1 and making its way up for a crescent to this whole move down, someplace between 38 and 78% of this move down, for likely an A, B, C of wave B or wave 2. So let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here. I personally think with the interest rate news coming out today that it's probably more likely it might bounce from some Fibonacci levels, but it's more likely, I think, that it will eventually go up and take out the high of wave 4. But we have to be a little bit cautious because this move up that we're currently seeing could be a crescent to this move down. So if you do get like a really good bounce, a really good three-way pattern, 1, 2, 3 waves up, ABC, off a Fibonacci level, like a really big engulfing move, then you probably should take it as a short because the trend is definitely down. And as we all know, the trend is your friend, and if you trade with the trend, normally you have a higher probability of being a successful, consistent trader. So I will be live streaming for today's U.S. interest rate news starting at 6:45 GMT plus 1 UK time. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.